Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be build reviews part 2. First was a Camaro, 2013 Camaro. So here's a 1995 Honda Del Sol. It's pretty clean. You got the carbon hood, some nice little wheels. Yeah, here it is. And tell us a little bit about what you've done to it. Let's get a view.
So far, put a turbo in there, forged rods and internals, nothing so much head yet, just basic rebuild other than the built rods and stuff like that. It's pushing 180 wheel horsepower and 188 torque.
Oof.
So yeah, and it's on coilovers, max speeding rod coilovers. Everything on here I did pretty much myself, including the paint. Painted it at C-Tech.
Yeah, I remember that.
Including the halos as well, I did those myself.
Ooh, those are nice. Anything else interesting about the car you'd like to mention before we get to driving it?
It's a 1.5 liter, the D15 B7. Not many people would mod this one because there's not too many parts for them. But, you know, I was given the card I was dealt with, and I made the best out of it.
Yeah, I like that. All right, well, we'll get to driving it and see how it is.
Started right now.
The push start is crazy.
Start recording.
What the? What is that? Okay.
That's my dash cam.
So how's the clutch on this? Is it like a racing clutch? Is it like two stage?
It's like a stage 2.
Okay.
It's not hard.
Okay, it's not.
Again, you can move your seat.
Yeah. How do I? Right here.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
I know I got line lights, so.
Yeah. All right. So reverse is back here.
Over and back,
Okay.
yeah.
Just make sure. Is there a lockout or no?
No.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good point. Mine doesn't work, so you know. You have power steering?
No.
Okay.
And for the brakes, you have to brake.
You don't have power brakes or what?
I do. It's just
I'm already at.
they're a little glazed.
Oh, right. Oh, wow.
Yeah, you see what I mean?
That's like worse than mine somehow. Which way do I want to go? I'll go this way.
But yeah, it definitely needs a muffler at least.
Maybe a little bit.
Yeah.
My bad. Yeah, I'm not used to that clutch. It's definitely different than mine. Fourth, yeah. Oh man.
Second is the one.
What, where all the power's at?
Yeah.
Okay. How do I smoothen out that shift?
Huh?
How do I smoothen out the shift, or is it just like that? Like the jumping?
You have to go more up in the high revs.
What do
You
you
just
mean?
have to, this one you can rev out all the way if you want.
But I mean like the jumping when I shift, should I stay on the clutch longer or
You just gotta slip it a little more.
like slower?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Mine is, I pretty much have to dump it, so what gear am I in? Third? Right. Okay. Yeah.
or it's gonna be wanting to pull everywhere.
Okay. Okay. Oh. I missed the gear. Oh, this dude's trying to wreck. Oh man, dude.
It's a lady, bro.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Yeah, my bad about these horrible shifts. I'm trying to feel it out, but I can't get it. Bruh.
It's definitely fun.
Dude, this thing's freaking scary. Oh. Dude.
Gets her heart going a little bit.
Yeah, I felt the torque steer there.
Yeah. Whenever you're getting on power 2, you want to always have the wheel straight.
Straight, okay.
Because since it's front wheel drive, you're gonna
Right.
go the way you turn.
Okay.
So if you're still turned right and you're gonna gun it,
Yeah,
you're gonna
yeah.
want to turn right.
Okay. You have a nice blind spot right there. Oh. Dude, when that boost, like, when that
it hits,
hits,
yeah.
it hits, dude. Downshift's pretty nice. Look at that little Saab, that's sick.
Hell yeah. Saab 900 turbo.
Yeah. Okay, what gear am I in right now? I think fourth. Okay. People are gonna be watching this video and be like, "This guy doesn't know how to drive a manual." No, it's just so different, dude. Like,
Well, yeah, every car's a little different.
yeah. Give this guy some space so I can. missing the gears. Yeah, my bad about your clutch. Oh.
It's like, slow it down.
I'm going like, well, I'm going 30. 30, yeah. Every time it's third.
Third is annoying. I
Really?
think the synchro is going out on
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I had the same problem in my other Fiat, and I could never get it.